So where we left, ये पार देते हैं. चलिए इसको. Please stay tuned to this channel and please. Hi, welcome to my channel.
उत्साह है सुबह सुबह.
My name is Rachana. If you are new here to this channel, please share, like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so wherever I post a video, you will get a notification. Thank you so much. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what I have ordered for this month. Like, I'm a kind of crazy purchaser. I like a makeup and many things for myself, for skincare and all, hair care and all. So I used many things almost every month. Of course, I have a regular skin purchase that I make, and sometimes I go crazy if I hear there is something new and crazy brand in market. I want that thing. That's me. People who do like a thing that makes out of stock things. That's me. Yes, I'm one of those people.
Control.
Guilty for that. So of course, uh, we are not giving any reviews for today. I'm just showing you what I've ordered, and please don't make any wrong purchase. If you don't like any products, please hear the reviews. Okay, so let's start with today's video. I have this many parcels, which is from a online Instagram store. Basically, it's little bit late because she was like loaded with requests and all. They had some new launches. Of course, I have ordered 2 makeup palettes from that account, and of course 2 eyeliners because I love it. Yeah, that's me. So other than that, let's start with first is a blurs package. So I love blur cosmetic for the lip glosses and lipsticks. Of course, I have tried eyeliner also from Blur, but it didn't work for me. Let's unbox this blurs package first.
A few moments later.
There is this beautiful card from them, so I'll keep this card with me. Is this 2 mini glosses? Don't touch my gloss. Mini gloss pack of 4, of course. I loved was this 4 glosses. My god, look at this. Let's watch it. How gorgeous is this? So why this minis? Because these are very travel friendly. जो बड़ा बड़ा साइज होता है, जबकि हम घूमने जाते हैं तो इधर ही कहीं मैं भूल जाती हूँ, फिर मैं यहाँ रख के आ जाती हूँ और वो नहीं सूट करता बेसिकली मुझको. तो ट्रैवल साइज के मुझे चाहिए थे. This is the brown. This is the brown. Look at it. So pretty. And there is this another skin kind of nude shade, which is so nice. Can you see this? So pretty. And then there is this last but not least, this violet shade. Oh my god. Box from Minimalist. I love minimalistic products. I don't know, it works just great for me, for my skin, for my hair. Of course, this the minimalistic salicylic, which is for blackheads and acne and reduce the oil. My T junction, as I told you, it's very problematic, so I need to purchase some serum, good serum for my skin. Before this, I was using Dr. Sheth, and that was also okay. That next, I have this big box from Naykaa. What a package! Okay, so let me open this first. In this, I have 2 things. Oh, there is this first. This is the Garnier Micellar water in the big size, because मेरा जो पुराना वाला है वो मैंने फर्स्ट ट्रैवल साइज में ऑर्डर किया था. क्या है कि अब तक हम पैसे जोड़ जोड़ के थोड़ा छोटा मोटा खरीद रहे थे, तो वो छोटे साइज में था. Of course, I want to try how it works for me, and it works best for my skin. It removes everything. Of course, I do oil cleansing too. I do double cleansing for my face, but this worked for me very well. This is also a regular order from Dr. Sheth. Ceramide and vitamin C oil-free moisturizer. Of course, I order this every month. I need every month. इसमें कुछ बड़े पैक में नहीं आता. If you are listening, Dr. Sheth's team, please do one favor on me. Release a big one. There is again usual asked to use this shampoo. This from Lawyer Professional. For this shampoo, of course, I had done some treatment on my hair, which was a damage repair, and it was for that purpose. It served जो सारा shine चला गया था. It's back. I am very happy with the result. Of course, I don't want my hair to be stay very straight. I have a wavy hair, and I kind like from the Plum BodyLovin, and it's their travel size perfume in the name Hawaii Rumba. I've heard a lot about this, but I ordered travel size because I wanted to see how it smells. Oh my god. Oof. The next product one is this, very expensive in India but not in the foreign country, which is a e.l.f clear brow gel and mascara. I will use it in the next video when I will make a makeup video. Next is this from L'Oreal again, Absolute Repair Molecular, because of course I did some treatment on my hair, so I'm supposed to do that the same shampoo which was used during the treatment, the same mask, hair mask, and clean mask. So I am supposed to use this every day, and my first dabba is like almost done. This is the freebie. Oh my god! This is my also first K beauty product, and what a nude pink shade. The lip crayon, and I might be in the shade scripted. Of course, I will use this in the next video, and I will give you the review how it worked. That was it for this video. If you have liked this video, please like this video, share this with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Please, you guys, subscribe. I really need your support to get what I want to be, right? So, okay, stay tuned for many crazy things on this channel. Bye bye.